Good morning, students. Sanskrit Standard 6, Semester 2. In Sanskrit, today we will do chapter number 7, Subhashitani. हस्तस्य भूषणं दानं, सत्यं कंठस्य भूषणं, श्रोतस्य भूषणं शास्त्रं, भूषणैः किं प्रयोजनम्? Means, हस्तस्य भूषणं दानं, donation. Bhushanam means ornament. So the ornament of hands is donation. Satyam kanthasya bhushanam. So the ornament of kanthas, throat, neck. So the ornament of the throat is truth. Always speak the truth. Shrotasya bhushanam shastram, knowledge. So the ornament of ear is knowledge. Bhushane kim prayojanam. So then, of what use are another ornaments? Then, what uses of another ornaments when um, the ornaments of hand is donation and the ornament of throat is truth, shrotas. So the ornament of ear is knowledge. So then, what use are other ornaments? काकः कृष्णः पिकः कृष्णः को भेद काक पिकयोः वसंत समये प्राप्ते काकः काकः कः पिकः means a crow is black and a cuckoo is black. So what is the difference between a crow and cuckoo? Kokilah, cuckoo, bird. So crow is black and cuckoo is black. Then what is the difference between crow and cuckoo? तो वसंत समये प्राप्ते काकः काकः पिकः पिकः. So when the spring times arrives, when a cuckoo sings sweetly, so then spring times arrives, a crow is crow and a cuckoo is a cuckoo. यथा चित्तम तथा वाचा, यथा वाचा तथा क्रिया, चित्ते वाण्याम क्रियायाम च साधुनामिक रूपता. Just as the mind, chittam, mind, just as the mind, the speech is vacha, speech is. Just as the speech, the action is kriya, action. Chitte vanyam kriyayam cha sadhunamik roopta. So there is uniformity in the thoughts, the speech and actions of good people. Speaks and actions of good people, just as the mind, the speech is, just as the speech, the action is, there is uniformity in the thoughts, speech and actions of good people. सर्वतीर्थमयी माता सर्वदेवमयः पिता मातरम पितरम तस्मात् सर्वयत्नेन पूजयेत्. सर्वतीर्थमयी माता सर्वदेवमयः पिता मातरम पितरम तस्मात् सर्वयत्नेन पूजयेत्. Mother is the symbol of all pilgrimage and father is the symbol of all gods. Therefore, must make all efforts to worship mother and father. You have to always worship the mother and father. Sukharti त्यजेत विद्यां विद्यार्थी त्यजेत सुखम सुखार्थिनः कुतो विद्यार्थिनः सुखम. Sukharthi त्यजेत विद्यां. A person who desires comforts must give up knowledge, education. A person, a student who desire comforts must give up knowledge. A person who desires knowledge must give up comfort. Sukhartina kuto vidyarthina sukham. From where can one desiring comforts get knowledge, and from where can one desiring knowledge get comfort? And these are word meanings of this chapter. You have to write in your notebook these word meanings.